Today on DI by You, we're doing a garage makeover. Alright guys, this is my garage. This is our workbench. We have this like built-in bookshelf over here that's full of random things. Dog bones and pine cones and painting supplies and some chalk. And then over here we have kind of our workbench area. So we moved into this house about a year ago. And this thing was absolutely full of stuff. And it still has most of the stuff that we inherited with the house. All the paints, some of these here we bought. All of these over here we inherited. So we have probably 30 cans of paint that we gotta get rid of. Like 4 jugs of bleach, I don't know, Roundup, ant killer. There's all sorts of stuff here that came with our house. So we're gonna get rid of all that. And then on this side, they left us a little tote filled with stuff called plumbing, a ceiling fan light kit, and some laminate. The tools, most of the Ryobi stuff, Black & Decker, all that stuff was ours. This giant pegboard came with the house, those 2 wire things. All these shelves with these gigantic brackets. Look at these brackets. Look at how much that overhangs. That's ridiculous. It's too big of a bracket. We got a bird's nest up there. So, today is the day that I completely overhaul this junk pile. I mean, it's atrocious. It looks like an absolute heaping mess of stuff. Totally disorganized. Definitely not a great workspace. So we get to work in 3, 2, 1. right, here it is, the big reveal. We got the garage and the workbench cleaned up, organized, painted, all the shelves off the wall, all the extra junk taken out except the paints down there. I still gotta haul those to the hazardous waste, but everything else is organized. We have our sanding, caulking station down here, paints, stains, painting supplies. Up here we have lighting, electrical, and all of our extra sockets and drill bits and Craigs and all that stuff. On the top, some more light things, and that's soap making for when I make my own soap. The workbench looks great. We got all of the things organized. All the tools are up there on the shelves. The miter's back on. Once I get rid of all the chemicals and the paints, I'll have a little bit more space for storing wood and other things, but right now it's pretty much done. It only took us probably about 5 hours, but it was totally worth it. Thanks for watching.